Now, because you're watching this video on YouTube, I'm sure you've heard of this before, but did you know that you can actually get paid to listen to music on YouTube every day, hour, or even minute? Take a look at this example of how much money you can make by listening to YouTube music. 5 songs could earn you $25, and 20 songs on YouTube could earn you $100 every day. In today's video, all of this could be done with your phone or computer in about 5 to 10 minutes, and you can repeat the process. This strategy is free. Doesn't matter if you're from the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Indonesia, or anywhere else in the world. No credit card or investment is required. Make sure to watch the entire video because I'll show you how to multiply your profits and make 5 times as much money as others who don't watch these videos.
This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial.
So the current app is the first app you should download. You'll be rewarded for listening to music if you use this app. But later on, I'll show you a couple additional free apps for your phone, as well as a real-life example of how to use them, what music you should listen to, and a bonus tip to help you make more money. You'll see I want to earn rewards while I'm commuting on the main page, which you can view here. You can do it when you're running, working, or sleeping. In fact, you can do it while the music is still playing in the background and still make money. If you have an Android phone, you can get this app from both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. So this is the app's logo. Make sure you're installing the correct version. It has over 1 million reviews and a 4.5-star rating. It's a great solid app. Now, before I show you a real-life example, I'll demonstrate how to play music and how to choose the greatest music that'll pay you the most amount of money. In fact, this has over 100,000 radio stations, one of which is YouTube. You can listen to music online or even while you're not connected to the internet. You don't need to pay any money to use this app, and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, which you can later convert into real money. So once you've downloaded the app from the Google Play Store, you can now start listening to music on the radio station. When you go into your account, you can notice something like this. Pay attention since this is the only one of the way to get money while playing music. I'll show you 2 methods for making money while playing music. This is the homepage for YouTube Music. You can find a lot of music, a lot of playlists, and a lot of artists if you scroll down below. There's a large selection of recommended music that can be played on YouTube Music alongside the current homepage. When you combine these 2 applications, you'll be able to profit on autopilot. So now, I'm going to show you a real-world example. I'm going to show you an example of a playlist that I've been really focused on and that I'm able to listen to. There's a significant amount of music in the queue. Once the songs have finished playing, they will automatically move on to the next song and so on, and they will be able to play all of the songs right now for which I'll be paid. When you hover your mouse over this icon in the bottom right-hand corner and select the repeat button, the magic happens. This means that once these playlists have finished playing from the first song all the way down to the last song, it'll automatically jump back to the first song and replay it, allowing you to earn money over and over again.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash.
A bonus tip I have for you is to make sure that you have a lot of music on your playlist. As you can see, I've got about 20 songs planned to help me make money faster. The second piece of advice I can give you is to go to the main page and look for the hot list. If you click on the hot list, you'll be led to a page with higher quality, more recommended videos, and music videos. I strongly advise you to choose one of these videos since they will pay you more money than the current app. You can sync and synchronize your YouTube music with this program to get paid when you play music on YouTube. The second method that I'll show you right now is one with which you're probably more familiar. Maybe you watch YouTube videos every day and are doing so right now, and you're aware that they can play videos and music videos, for example, Pop Hits 2021, Top 40 Popular Songs. You can listen to music playlists like this for an hour and make money over and over by simply repeating the process of listening to all of these songs. So what I'm gonna show you now is a real-life example. As you can see, this is the only tab open in Google Chrome, so I'm gonna open another tab to listen to more music, followed by a third tab to listen to more YouTube music. In my browser, I currently have 3 tabs open. So here's the bonus tip. If you open up a lot of tabs, you can listen to music and earn money over and over again, and I'm gonna offer you some more quick suggestions right now to help you make even more money. To begin, go to YouTube and play music that is at least an hour long, because the longer the music is, the more money you can make. The second tip is to go to this page's settings button and double the speed. When you double the speed, the music will play twice as fast. You should pick 2 to signal that the music can be played twice as fast. The more music you listen to, the more money you will make. Another tip is that you can reduce the quality to 144p with this cog button. This means that you can listen to music even if your internet connection is slow, or if there are a lot of people using the Wi-Fi because you'll be playing it on many tabs. Limiting the quality to 144p is crucial so that your internet is not consumed and you can do other things. Now I'm gonna show you the last bonus immediately. As illustrated here, there is a new Google Chrome plugin that allows you to change the speed at which YouTube videos are played. This is now available for download on your Google Chrome browser, PC, or phone. It is 100% free and has over 80,000 users. So the magic happens when you download the Google Chrome browser. Because YouTube only allows for 2 times the normal speed, you can play this on your phone at 3 times the normal pace. When using the Google Chrome extension, you can modify the speed in the upper right-hand corner as illustrated here. The pause button can be used to increase the playback speed, while the decrease button can be used to decrease playback speed. You can make a lot of money now that you've downloaded this extension because you can play music on the YouTube platform as well as the YouTube Music platform much faster. So once again, all you have to do is go to the Google Play Store to download these apps, or go to the Apple App Store to download the Current Rewards offline music app if you have an iPhone. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.